Alam nyo ba isang dekada na to at hanggang ngayon popular and preferred dining spots pa rin sila dito sa Pilipinas? This year, 2025 is the 10th year milestone celebration of Genki Sushi in the Philippines. Sa mga di pa nakatry, watch this video to know what makes Genki Sushi special. This is how the food delivered to your table. Each table may tablet to place our orders and tech-powered delivery system ang gamit nila. Napaka-unique and entertaining. I'm sure, bata, matanda, matutuwa dito. Hindi rin matagal ang waiting time. Sariwa at dekalidad talaga ang ingredients ginagamit nila to create authentic Japanese and flavorful dishes. Ang daming choices dito from classic nigiri, sushi rolls, ramen, salad, sashimi, and many more. Sakto to for those who dine in group with different tastes and cravings at may mga bago sila sa menu nila. As for the prices, for me, it's worth it. So ayan guys, don't wait for another year. Try nyo na dito sa Genki Sushi Philippines. Happy anniversary!